We're with Paul Laycock from Partline Engineering. We're in front of their Hartford Pro 2150 bought from Ward CNC. It's one of the latest machines in their portfolio. Paul, why did you buy it?
A number of reasons really. First of all, with the sheer size of it, as you say, it's 2150, so it'll get 2 metres in X and 1.5 metres in Y, so it just enables us to do the large sort of scale machining, as well as the sort of spindle as well. That's BT50. It enables us to put big cutters in there and do big heavy cuts when we need to, or just as equally quite as good at is high feed machining. So it's small depth cut but really, really fast, and with that it holds the accuracy as well.
Got it, so really gives you that flexibility. So huge bed there, but flexibility in terms of the actual spindle speed and depth of cut.
Oh yeah, definitely. And when you're doing sort of big machining along a large surface, you can either go two ways, like I say, the big cuts or the high feed. It's just reduces cycle times massively.
Excellent. What about the tools? How many tools does it hold?
It holds 40 tools in the carousel in the back, and you can pre-tool it as well, so the next tool's always ready once you're in program process.
And sorry, did you mention it's BT50?
Yeah, BT50, which is the biggest sort of tooling you can get on these sort of machines.
And just quickly on the control, FANUC, which I think is standard for your machine shop?
Yeah, we've standardised the whole shop with FANUC control, yeah. It just enables us to swap and change from machine to machine.
And you also mentioned as well, it came standard with the Renishaw probe, is that right?
Yes, we got the probe fitted as well, because we've been doing some highly accurate gear cases over time, where you've got holes right at one side of the gear case to be tied up with holes at the other one. Plus it also measures for you as well, so rather than getting large verniers and micrometers in there, it's just easier to measure it, tell you on the screen.
Okay, so total flexibility. Now in terms, you mentioned accuracy in the gear casing, what sort of accuracy over, well, what can be described only as a huge bed?
Well, obviously gear cases have got to go to the different halves of the gear cases together, so they had dowels tied up at either side over 1.5 metres really, tied up to within a thou, and it held it all day, no problem.
That's excellent. Now, a great endorsement of this machine, I think, is Carl, who's hidden around the back. He won't come on camera, but he couldn't stop raving about the machine. So could we just get a quick summary, though?
He just really enjoys it for working on it, because it makes your life easier with the probe, with the accuracy. You know you're going to put some figures in the screen and it's going to come out right every time, so it just makes life easier for an engineer.